Hello friends, this is round 20 of star hearts and pineapples. To begin the round, we make a single crochet on the same stitch as the slip stitch of the ending round and mark this single crochet that is just made. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and skip 1 double crochet and single crochet on the next double crochet. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space. Then chain 2, 1, 2, skip the next chain 2, 3 double crochet on the next chain 5 space. We will make a 3 double crochet shell here. Chain 3, 3 double crochet to finish the shell. Then chain 2, 1, 2, skip the next chain 2 space and single crochet on the next chain 5 space. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and repeat what we did here. Which is single crochet, on the next double crochet. So we repeat chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and skip the double crochet and single crochet on the next double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space. Chain 2, 1, 2, and skip the next chain 2 space and not single crochet but double crochet on the next chain 5 space, and this is where we make a shell, so that's the second double crochet. Third double crochet, chain 3, and another 3 double crochet on the same space. Chain 2 and skip chain 2 and single crochet on the next chain 5 space. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next double crochet. So we are repeating. There's already 2 repeats. So we have done this. First repeat, the second repeat is here. So we will repeat. The second repeat happens here, so we will repeat the chain 5, starting on chain 5 and ending on the single crochet. The repeat ends on single crochet, so the chain 5, start at chain 5 and ends with a single crochet on next DC, next double crochet. So we will repeat this set of instructions here, set of stitches all around. after the last shell of the round, then we chain 2, 1, 2, and skip the next chain 2 space and single crochet on the next chain 5 space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and remove the marker stitch and slip stitch on the single crochet, on the beginning single crochet. So that's the end of the round, and that's the way the round looks. So I'll see you on round 21, and we're so close to starting the base of the pineapple, which are made of fans.